Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Everything will be linked down below. One of them, the magnet came out, so what I did was I just took some of my builder gel and I put it in there and put the magnet back in and put it in the UV light, and it's good now. The red stuff you see me sticking down on my nail display stand is double-sided nail tape. The red stuff you see me pulling off is just to expose the sticky side of the tape. These tips are double XL, long square tip, no C curve on them. I'm buffing the top of every nail to give it a little bit of texture so that the gel has something to hold on to and it doesn't peel off like a sticker. But I don't over buff the tops, I just buff them a little bit, then I dust the dust off. A primer, this. To be honest, I don't know if this makes a difference or not. I just put it on there. Alright, so this is my builder base. Well, I got the builder gel so that the nails would be more thick. The nails at the tip are pretty good. Like, it's pretty thick at the tip. Look at that. It's nice. But I just wanted to add something to thicken it up just a little bit more. Just, you know, so that there's no like bending or anything. I go back to the first nail that I painted and I just make sure that the sides are painted really nice because I don't want any lumps on the sides. So I just go back in and make sure. I wipe the sides because sometimes I put a little bit too much gel and it drips off the sides. And I cure every coat for 120 seconds. Okay. I'm just gonna put this away now, so we're done with this. This is what it's looking like. Really beautiful and glossy. So we're gonna start with the white first. Yes. But look how black this is. Delicious. Yes. I'm gonna give this a second coat of the white. I'm gonna give the black one a second coat as well. And then we're gonna start decorating. I'm gonna just put these in together. Alright, so that's it. Let me take that out actually. Oh, please don't touch it, please. Take that out and let that cure on its own. Alright, so I use these lids. I'll link those down below. It comes like, you know, it's like for condiments. But I just use the lids to put my polishes in, and then, you know, when it gets too gunky, I just throw them away. So this one is gonna be for the black. I think that's enough. And then this one is gonna be for the white. But I'm gonna put it in the side because there's a green in the middle there. So I'm just gonna put it on the side there. That should be enough. Oh my gosh, I don't like that, I don't like that. It's rippling, it's rippling. Yes, but I'm not redoing it. I don't care, I'm not redoing it. Alright, so I applied the one. I don't know if it recorded that. I hope it did, but I just used this side of the brush and then drew the line here and then drew the line on the other side. That's it. With the black. And now I'm going to go in with my dotting tool, and they're pretty big dots. But I'm gonna go in with a tiny one first, just, you know, just to get a placement going, and then yeah. Any mistakes I made in the design, I get my brush, dip it in some rubbing alcohol, take off any excess off of the brush, and just clean up any mistakes I made on the design, and then I cure it. And now I'm applying just the top coat. I'm running out of top coat, so I'm struggling here. So the last step, I almost forgot. I have to file the tip of the nail to get that little thing off. So I just go like that. And voila! Nice and straight. Alright, now I want you to see the tips of them because the tips are not thin at all. See, they're pretty thick, really thick. Alright, that is it on the nails. This is the finished set. I hope you learned something from this. And yeah, that's it. See you next time. Bye. You could just pull them off the thing and stick them on. Just pull them back like that. And then you could take your nail glue and put them on. That's it. Pretty simple.